okay, because we rounded to specific significant figures. Next question. The diagram shows a regular pentagon ABCDE. Yeah, correct. A regular octagon ABFGHIJK, and an isosceles triangle BCF. Now work out the size of angle X. How we're going to do this is we have to remember that the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to n minus 2 times 180, right? So n represents the number of sides. So in a pentagon, you have 5 sides, so 5 minus 2 times 180. You should find the sum of the interior angles directly. So once you find out the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon, you can easily calculate the interior angle. So remember this, very important. Remember this formula: interior angle is equal to 180 minus 360 divided by n. You could do it either side if you want to find out the interior angle. So 180 minus 360 divided by 5 sides of a pentagon. You can directly find out your interior angle for the pentagon, so it's 108. So for this pentagon, you have 108 already given to you. So all you need to do is just label where this 108 could be. Now for a hexagon, what do we do for this side, right? What do we do for a hexagon? How do you calculate the interior angle? Just use the same formula. It's applied, but in this case, in an octagon, you have 8 sides. So 180 minus 360 divided by 8 should be giving you about 135 degrees. It's pretty awesome, right? So you have 135 degrees. Now, how do you calculate the angle B, right? So to calculate angle B, we use angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So angle CBF, that is this portion here, CBF, should be equal to 360 degrees minus the 2 angles that we just found recently. Just add them up together to calculate your angles. This is using the concept of angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So you get about 117 degrees. There you go, 117 degrees. Oh, there's no space. Okay, so we'll just write it down. So remember, preferably, just structure it down. Now remember, there's an isosceles triangle. So since BCF is an isosceles triangle, we can claim that BFC is also X, right? So we can calculate the isosceles triangle by doing 180 subtract by 117, which you found, divided by 2. We can easily find out our angle by typing in the calculator, right? So because it's an isosceles triangle, base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Remember this rule. So it's about 31.5 degrees. There you go. You found X. You can just write 31.5 degrees. There you go.